Geology and Plates Quiz. Question 1. The part of the Earth on which tectonic plates are able to move is the A. Lithosphere, B. Asthenosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Subduction zone. Question 2. The type of tectonic plate boundary involving a collision between two tectonic plates is A. Divergent, B. Transform, C. Convergent, D. Normal. Question 3. Alfred Wegener thought all of today's continents were once joined in a huge continent that he called A. Panthalasia, B. Pangaea, C. Laurasia, D. Gondwana. Question 4. Tectonic plates are large pieces of the A. Core, B. Mesosphere, C. Lithosphere, D. Asthenosphere. Question 5. Blank is the process by which hot material from deep within the earth rises while cooler material near the surface sinks. A. Slab pull, B. Convection, C. Ridge push, D. Seafloor spreading. Question 6. Examine the diagram below and answer the questions that follow. In the diagram above, a blank boundary is occurring at A. Answer A. Divergent, B. Transform, C. Strike slip, D. Convergent. 7. Which is the best evidence that continents that are now separated were once joined? A. Continents that were once joined now have similar climates. B. Identical plant and animal fossils are found on the continents that are now separated. C. Cultures of the people on separated continents have similar languages. D. The migratory patterns of wildlife on separated continents are similar. Question 8. Which of the following is not an agent of erosion that we have studied? A. Sun, B. Running water, C. Wind, D. Glaciers. 9. A student keeps a record of the phases of the moon for 1 month. On the first night of the student's observations, the full moon is visible in the sky. After the full moon, which of these phases will the student observe next? A. Waxing crescent moon, B. Waxing gibbous moon, C. Waning crescent moon, D. Waning gibbous moon. Question 10. By the 1960s, the scientific community had largely accepted the idea of plate tectonics. Leading to the general acceptance of this theory were large numbers of findings from the post-World War II era. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence supporting plate tectonic theory was the discovery of magnetic striping. Zebra-like stripes indicating regions of strongly magnetic rocks separated by magnetic rocks with opposite polarity. Zebra-like stripes indicating regions of strongly magnetic rocks separated by magnetic rocks with opposite polarity on the sea floor surrounding the mid-Atlantic ridge. These magnetic stripes on the ocean floor were used to show that A. The seafloor was spreading outward from the mid-Atlantic ridge and that sections of the seabed had been formed during different times. B. The seafloor was spreading inward toward the mid-Atlantic ridge and that sections of the seabed had been formed during different times. C. The seafloor was effectively stationary, but continental land masses had significantly shifted the coastlines over time. D. Natural magnetic rocks always form deep in the mantle of the Earth, demonstrating that the crust had changed over time. Question 11. The folded mountains in this model form at which type of plate boundary? A. Transform boundary, B. Divergent boundary, C. Subduction boundary, D. Convergent boundary. The satellite photograph below shows a large meteorite crater that is 1,200 meters in diameter and 170 meters deep. This crater is located in a flat, arid part of northeastern Arizona. How will this crater most likely change over time? A. It will get deeper as it fills with water. B. It will rise up like a volcanic crater. C. It will become less deep as the rim erodes. D. It will widen as it fills with lava. Question 13. The thick black lines in the map below show the locations of the mid-ocean ridges. Which geologic feature is most likely to form at a mid-ocean ridge? A. Peninsula. B. Volcano. C. Delta. D. Plateau. Question 14. Sometimes tectonic plates do not move easily past one another, and the plates become stuck. Forces build up, and when the plates finally move, tension is released, as shown below. The sudden movement of plates is caused by A. The mass of the plates, B. The weight of the plates, C. Unbalanced forces, D. Gravitational force. Question 15. Scientists recently discovered that rocks collected from the Franklin Mountains in West Texas and rocks collected from the mountains in eastern Antarctica were exactly the same age. Further research showed that the rocks were chemically and geologically the same and came from the same magma source. This discovery provides evidence of A. Coastal erosion, B. Plate tectonics, C. Ocean currents, D. Glacial melting.